The sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow over the small town where my son, Ethan, and I lived. As a single parent, raising Ethan had been both challenging and rewarding. He was now on the cusp of adolescence, navigating the delicate balance between childhood and the teenage years. Ethan, with his tousled brown hair and a perpetual curiosity in his deep blue eyes, was a bundle of energy and enthusiasm. From a young age, he displayed a keen interest in the world around him. Whether it was exploring the backyard for insects or asking a barrage of questions about the stars during our stargazing nights, his thirst for knowledge was insatiable. As a parent, I found myself marveling at the rapid pace of his growth. It seemed like just yesterday when he took his first wobbly steps, and now he was mastering complex math problems and expressing his thoughts with an eloquence that belied his age. Parenthood was a continuous journey of discovery, not only about our children but also about ourselves. Ethan's academic pursuits were diverse, reflecting his eclectic interests. Science fascinated him, and our kitchen often transformed into a makeshift laboratory, as he conducted experiments that ranged from simple chemical reactions to more intricate physics demonstrations. His school notebooks were filled with doodles of rockets, planets, and fantastical creatures, a testament to his imagination. In addition to his academic endeavors, Ethan possessed a natural talent for the arts. His room was adorned with sketches and paintings that depicted his perspective of the world. From vibrant landscapes to abstract expressions of emotions, each creation told a unique story. Encouraging his artistic pursuits became a priority, and we spent weekends attending art classes and visiting galleries to nurture his creative spirit. The town we called home was a close-knit community where everyone knew each other. Ethan's friends were an extension of our family, their laughter echoing through our house on weekends and holidays. They formed a diverse group, each contributing a unique flavor to the tapestry of their friendships. As a parent, witnessing the camaraderie and support they provided one another filled my heart with gratitude. As Ethan navigated the challenges of adolescence, our communication became increasingly important. We engaged in open and honest conversations about his experiences, fears, and dreams. The transition from childhood to adolescence was marked by moments of introspection and self-discovery, and I found myself adapting my parenting approach to provide the guidance he needed while respecting his growing independence. One of the pivotal aspects of Ethan's journey was his involvement in extracurricular activities. He joined the school's debate team, where his articulate arguments and persuasive skills earned him recognition. The experience not only enhanced his communication abilities, but also instilled a sense of confidence that would serve him well in the years to come. Sports also played a significant role in shaping Ethan's character. He gravitated towards soccer, spending countless hours practicing on the field with his teammates. The lessons learned from victories and defeats on the soccer field translated into valuable life skills, teaching him the importance of teamwork, resilience, and discipline. As a parent, I grappled with the realization that my son was on the brink of adulthood. The days of bedtime stories and scraped knees were gradually replaced by discussions about career aspirations and college choices. While the prospect of his independence filled me with pride, a tinge of nostalgia lingered for the fleeting moments of his childhood. Ethan's academic achievements earned him a spot in the honors program at the local high school. The transition to high school marked a new chapter in his life, presenting both academic challenges and opportunities for personal growth. Balancing the demands of rigorous coursework with his extracurricular pursuits became a delicate juggling act, and I witnessed firsthand his dedication to maintaining a well-rounded lifestyle. The high school years brought forth a myriad of experiences for Ethan, including his first crush and the complexities of navigating teenage relationships. As a parent, I found myself offering guidance on matters of the heart while recognizing the importance of allowing him the space to make his own decisions. The intricacies of teenage emotions unfolded, and I marveled at the resilience with which he faced the inevitable ups and downs of adolescence. College applications loomed on the horizon, and the prospect of Ethan leaving the nest became an imminent reality. The conversations about potential career paths and the selection of colleges were tinged with a bittersweet awareness of the impending separation. As a parent, I grappled with the conflicting emotions of pride in his accomplishments and the apprehension of letting go. The college selection process became a collaborative effort, with late-night discussions about his aspirations, fears, and the myriad possibilities that lay ahead. Visiting campuses and attending college fairs became integral components of our weekends, each experience bringing us closer to the realization that a new chapter was about to unfold. In the midst of the college preparations, Ethan's passion for community service took center stage. He initiated and led various projects aimed at making a positive impact in our town. From organizing food drives to volunteering at local shelters, his commitment to creating change reflected a deep sense of social responsibility. The pride I felt in his altruistic endeavors surpassed any academic achievement, underscoring the values instilled in him throughout his upbringing. As the college acceptance letters arrived, the excitement and anxiety reached a crescendo. The decision-making process was a rollercoaster of emotions, with factors like academic programs, campus culture, and financial considerations coming into play. The weight of making a life-altering decision hung in the air, and as a parent, my role shifted to providing support and guidance without overshadowing his autonomy. Ultimately, Ethan chose a college that aligned with his academic and personal goals. The preparations for his departure were a whirlwind of shopping for dorm essentials, packing boxes, and addressing the myriad details that accompany the transition to college life. The day he left for college was a poignant moment, a mixture of pride, nostalgia, and the anticipation of the adventures that awaited him. The empty nest brought a new rhythm to my life. The house, once filled with the sounds of laughter and animated conversations, now echoed with a quietude that was both peaceful and disconcerting. The adjustment to an empty nest was a journey of self-discovery, as I rediscovered hobbies and interests that had taken a backseat to the demands of parenting. As I reflect on the years that have passed, I am filled with gratitude for the privilege of being Ethan's parent. The title of my son encapsulates a journey of love, growth, and discovery, a testament to the profound impact parenthood has on shaping not only the lives of our children but also our own. The pages of this narrative are imprinted with the indelible story of a son who, like the setting sun casting a warm glow over a small town, illuminated my life with his brilliance and left an enduring mark on the tapestry of our shared existence.